Hi, this is Wesley Ader. I work at Bryant Junior High, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use QuickTime Player if you are a beginner. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is on your Mac, you need to find QuickTime Player. There's two ways to do this. Down here at the bottom where it says Launchpad, if you click on that, you'll open up all of your files, and one of those will be QuickTime Player. The other way that you can do this is up here at the top right, the magnifying glass. The magnifying glass is a search, and you can search for QuickTime, and you can see it pops up there. You just double click on the name, and it will open QuickTime Player. Some of you might be saying, but your screen looks the same. Very close. QuickTime Player actually shows up here at the very top. So you see up at the top left, it says QuickTime Player now, in addition to the Apple symbol, File, Edit, View, Window, and Help. In order to make a new screen recording, you're going to click on File. When you click File, you'll see that New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, and New Screen Recording will be your options. At this point, you'll click New Screen Recording. When you click New Screen Recording, you'll get this box that pops up. Here you have Capture the Entire Screen, Capture Selected Window, Capture Selected Portion. Since I'm recording this, I cannot show you the next part, but there's also two more boxes that show up right here that say Record Entire Screen and Record Selected Portion. Those two show up right here. These are taking pictures where it says capture, that's pictures. Record is the video that you're seeing now. You also have options. Your options are where this is going to save on your computer. Most of mine I choose desktop, and then I put them in the screen recordings folder that you see here. You also have the option to change how long the video waits before it starts recording. So once you click record, it doesn't start recording right then. You can have a delay of 5 or 10 seconds. Then you have some other options, the floating thumbnail, mouse pointer, and things like that. Once you've gotten all of your options how you want them, you're going to click on capture or record if you're recording. At that point, the timer will start to count down. All of this will disappear. You'll just see capture or record and a timer. Once that goes off, the only way that you really know that you're recording something is right up here at the top. This little white circle with a black square in the middle is your QuickTime recording icon. My recommendation is to wait after it starts recording for just a few seconds to make absolutely sure that it has started recording. A lot of times there'll be a 1-2 second delay at the very beginning that will cut you off at the very beginning of your recording. I did that at the beginning of this recording to try to show you what that kind of sounds like. Once you have finished recording, you're going to click on this white box. And I'm going to quickly do a capture. You can see the countdown. This is the same as the record to get that out of the way. Once you have stopped your recording, the same exact box will show up for recording as does the capture picture. So the only difference is this is a picture, not a video. At this point, you can go back and look at your video. You can see if there's anything that you need to cut out of it, anything that you need to add to it, anything like that. You can retitle it. Up here you can see this one does not have a title. You can either click on that untitled title and name it something, or you can simply close, and on the recording it will say, hey, where would you like to have this go to? I'm going to record another video to attach to this to show you that. Okay, welcome back. This is the recording that I just made on how to make a recording. And now I'm going to show you just a couple of simple things that you might need for your recording. Either you start too early, or maybe you finish and then you're trying to find out how to close or stop the recording, and you don't want that audio in your recording. It's a very simple fix, and I'll show you how to do that. This is the recording here that I just made. You can see it looks very similar to that picture, except instead of saying Untitled, it says Screen Recording 2020-722. You also have the media buttons down here: play, rewind, fast forward. Now, I told you that I had started a little early to give you an example. So if we listen to this video, hi, you heard me finish my last name, take a breath, and then start again. I don't really want that in my final presentation. Very, very simple to fix. I'm going to take this audio and move it back, and I'm going to go up here to the edit button, and down here there is trim. When you click trim, it brings up your entire video in this yellow box. And all you're going to do with trim is you're going to be able to take the beginning and the end off of your video. So if your video, let's say you spend 5 seconds finding this stop button up here, you can simply move the end of your video to stop 5 seconds early. Nothing you do here is permanent. So if you drag it too far, don't worry about it. You'll figure it out, I promise. So here, we need to listen again and figure out when I need to stop it. Hi. There. You see the red line? This is where I'm at right now in the audio. So if I take this red line and I stop it before I say hi, there. I can take this and move it to where that red line was here. Hi, this is Wesley Ader. And now, the beginning of my video starts where I want it to start. Let's say I mess up and I accidentally move it over here. To use QuickTime Player. Oh no, that's too far. All I have to do is drag it back over. It's super simple to use. Once you're finished with this, you go up, you can rename from there, or when you go to close, I did not trim it. I'll do that real quick. I work at Bryant Junior. Fix this. Hi, this is perfect. Ask what I want this to be saved as, and I will say test number 1. I'll put that on my desktop. Okay, you can see it pops up over here. Now there's a couple of ways that you can take this and apply it to your classroom, and I created a test classroom. And we in history are very good at naming things, so I named this one Test Class. And here you see gobble gobble. It's literally as easy as opening up, telling them what you want them to know or do, and then adding that file, upload, and you can drag it over from your desktop if you want to. You can take it, this one right here, drag it over. It'll take a little bit for it to load, but once it's loaded, it will be just like that gobble gobble video, and the students will be able to play it from there. You can also upload this to your YouTube channel, which comes with your account. That's a slightly more advanced technique, so I'm not going to go into that, but if you'd like to do that, if you need help, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.